How's lunch?
Good.
Yeah? How about you, Jay?
Yummy. Give me again.
Cracker. Who loves Cheez-Its?
Me.
And you do too.
Mom?
Even though you're not saying it. Sure. Just a minute.
Can I see myself?
Can you see?
And to see Cracker.
Tasty treat. Can you see yourself? Can you see yourself? Yeah, who's that? Who's that? Baby? Baby? Jackson. Yeah. Oh, I see. You funny. You're a little bit messy from lunch, aren't ya? But it was so good. We had your favorite things, didn't we? Lots of melon and pineapple. More crackers, Mama? Say more, please. And that's how we say it. Are you getting excited for T-ball, Charlie?
Yeah, Mom, want to see this what I was doing?
Okay.
I have to be over here.
Okay. Whoa.
And open the nose.
Tricky. No, I'm being mean. Yeah? Are you ready for night-night? Are you ready for night-night? Okay. You're doing a good job. Yeah, you are. Are you such a big boy? Yeah, such a big boy. Boom. You say night-night to your brothers? You want to go out and say night-night, huh? Okay, Mr.